Hello, everybody. I'm so excited today. Today is like a really beautiful night. It's really pretty. I hope you can see this. Like all around me is just celebration, celebration. We have candles, 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 candles everywhere. It's some candle festival. I forgot the name. What in Spanish? What is
Fiesta de las Velitas.
Fiesta de las Velitas. It has a lot of meanings. So, would you tell us what it means?
Yes, it's in December 7. It's the day of las Velitas in Colombia. In all the houses we light candles.
Yeah, we have a candle
and we
there.
put it out and we make wishes, ask wishes for the coming year, and also give thanks for the year that is ending. Tomorrow is the day of the Virgin, the Holy Virgin Mary. So it's like giving the welcome to her.
Oh, so you're like welcoming her.
Welcoming her. Yeah.
That's nice.
And it's the official starting of the Christmas festivities.
So now Christmas is
Officially started.
Okay, nice one. I see a lot of lights.
We are I am in a house of my cousin with the whole family. They are cooking inside, and we go out to light the candles.
Yes,
and
there's
then
a lot of food.
Yeah,
A lot of food, and we had some snack. What was it about? The snack.
It's not Colombian snack. It's Mexican food today.
And why did we have it?
Because the coaches that are coming from Bucaramanga, they want to eat this food today.
So it doesn't have any meaning.
No, it doesn't have meaning.
Nice one. Candles. We don't have these in my.
Okay.
We don't celebrate these. Maybe it's there. I don't know because
It's just in Colombia and Ecuador.
in Mexico
No, they don't have candle day.
they don't have.
They have other festivities.
So this one is purely Colombian.
Yeah, and from the.
What about Venezuela? What about Venezuela?
No, just Colombian and Ecuador. I don't know why.
Because Venezuela was part of Colombia, so I'm thinking, okay, maybe they have the celebration as well. It's really cute, guys. Really cute. Beautiful, beautiful night. Full. The neighborhood is full. And do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's one of my favorite festivities in Christmas.
Colombia has like 1 million festivals.
Yeah.
So many. Every month we have a holiday. Every month, holiday.
And
Holiday.
we made the novena.
We did, yeah.
From the December 17th, we start to pray during 9 days.
For 9 days.
Yes, in different houses, and we eat and we pray a special prayer, and then we eat and we have a family reunion during
So
9 days. The
From
last
17
day
is 25th.
until 24.
24th. Nice one.
In front of the pesebre, did you see the pesebre?
What is pesebre?
It's the el nacimiento. When baby Jesus.
Yeah, it's the. I saw it. Yeah.
This is for the bride novena.
So do you pray for 9 days from 17th to 24th?
From 16 to 24. 16.
Okay, thank you. Say, tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, I will.
No, here on the video. Tell them, hey guys.
Okay, subscribe to the channel.
To the channel.
To the channel.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. It's gonna burn. So guys, it's really nice. Look at this. I hope we don't get copyright of I don't know, the music. Oh, of course we might get that. So I don't know if I'm gonna upload or not. So yeah, neighbors over there, full, beautiful night. Never experienced this, so I'm loving it. Next thing is to light candles. Blue is my favorite. I got my candles and I'm excited. I've never done this. And after, just enjoy the evening and enjoy the food, So this celebration or welcoming of the Christmas of the Mary Mother Jesus has like a meaning. And after you light the candles, you have to make like a wish, and everyone else had to do that or has to do that. And yeah, and then you call it an evening. Just enjoy the music, sing, and yeah, for the whole night. And yeah, just to have a good time. If you're loving this video and enjoying this video like I did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you have this kind of celebrations, also leave a comment. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, it means so much to me as always. I appreciate. So yeah, how cute is this, guys? How cute is this? So cute. I love it. Some prayers here before we get into feasting and just eating. So we had to do a prayer, and it's a good thing. I love it.